We're back with another successful factory acceptance test. This time, it's our 2300 series heavy-duty plate flange damper, built to handle the toughest applications with precision and reliability. The damper is constructed with a 3/4 inch thick 304 stainless steel body, providing superior corrosion resistance and durability. It features a metal step seat design, also made of 304 stainless steel, for exceptional seal and minimal leakage. This damper is designed specifically for process gas applications and can withstand a rated static pressure of 2 bar gauge, that's 2 bar above atmospheric pressure, with a maximum shutoff pressure of 2.65 bar. The client's operating conditions called for an operating temperature of 172 degrees Celsius with a maximum temperature tolerance of 300 degrees Celsius. It can handle a flow rate of over 20,000 cubic meters per hour and maintain an estimated leakage rate of just 0.2%. Equipped with the Nellis B1 series actuator featuring Viton seals, this setup provides 66,000 inch-pounds of torque, ensuring reliable modulation and on-off operation. The actuator is mounted on a welded rotary shaft made of alloy 17-4 pH stainless steel, which enhances strength and longevity. Additionally, the damper includes a ball bearing assembly and a double pack stuffing box with carbon bushings for smooth operation and extended service life. This damper is designed to maintain optimal performance in harsh environments, making it an ideal choice for industrial applications where durability and precision are paramount.